Healthy morning, students. Today already we have started exercise 12.2 up to question number 4 we have completed. Today we will solve question number 5th. 5th also solved, na?
Yes, sir. Question 6.
6. Today we will solve question number 6. Okay, read question, Pravak.
A quarter circle of radius 15 cm subtended an angle 60 degree at the center. Find the area corresponding minor and major segment of the circle. The value of y is root 3.14 and root 3 is 1.7.
Okay, look. So here radius is 15 centimeter and angle subtended at center is 60 degree. So first of all, first thing we want area of the corresponding minor and major segment of the circle. We want area of minor segment and major segment. So this is minor segment. Okay. Here it is center. Radius 15 centimeter. And angle at the center is 60 degree. We know very well formula of minor segment. Area of sector minus area of triangle. Since angle formed at the center is 60 degree, so it will be equilateral triangle. But that thing will prove as shown in figure. Angle AOB is 60 degree. Okay. And sum of three angle is 180. So this is 60 degree. Sum of these two angle going to be 120. Name of this angle is OAB. This one OBA. Now sum of these two angle is 120 and these two angles are equal also. So measurement of each angle will be 60 degree. So OAB and OBA both will be 60 degree each. Why they are equal? Because angle opposite to equal sides are equal. And equal sides are OA and OB. Now we will apply formula of area of minor segment. What is formula of area of minor segment? Area of minor sector minus equilateral triangle. So, area of minor sector formula pi r square equilateral triangle. Let us substitute values. Value of pi 3.14, that means radius 15 into 15, theta 60 upon
360.
Here value of root 3 173 by 100. We are having 4 also in denominator, so into side are 15. See, in all type of triangle over here, side will be 15 only. That means radius. Zero, 6 are 3, 5 are 3, 2 are 5, 2, 157 are 5, 20 are 5, 3 are 5, 4 are. That's it. We cannot reduce further. Here 5, 5, 4 are. So here we will have 157 3 are
471.
what? 471 divided by 4 minus 173 9 are multiply quick 1557 divided by 6. Now we'll find out LCM. LCM of 4 and 16.
16.
So 4 and so we'll have 1884 minus divided by 16. So it will be 327 divided by 16. Okay. So let us divide 327 by 16. 16, 32. Now what? Point. But wait. Remember one thing, 0. Whenever you don't use put down digit, write 0 in the answer. ये 7 को पुट डाउन करेंगे, यूज तो किया ही नहीं हमने, तो ये 0 लिखना जरूरी है. पॉइंट के बाद 0 लिख दिया, आंसर रॉन्ग. नाउ 0. नाउ फॉर दैट 0 व्हाट? पॉइंट. ये 0 की वजह से पॉइंट है. नाउ 70, 16 4 the 64, 6 is a 40. What now? 16. 7 the. Now 5 the. So 20.4 T. This is our answer. Okay. See, if you are writing answer up to 2 decimal place, it will do. But remember one thing. If divisor have 3 or 7 as a factor, then you will not get remainder 0. If except 3 and 7 any factor if it have, you will get remainder 0 and anyhow you have to obtain the answer. फिर वैसे ही मैंने आपको बताया था कि आउट ऑफ 80 अगर आपके 70 ऑफ मार्क्स जाएंगे तो ये सब चीज़ें देखी जाएगी. फिर तो पूरे डेसिमल प्लेसेस तक आपका आंसर करेक्ट होना चाहिए, इसका भी हाफ मार्क कटेगा. समझे? पूरे मार्क्स से तो एक्यूरेट आपका आंसर होना चाहिए. ये मुझे आइडिया आ गया कि इसके 3 और 7 कोई फैक्टर है ही नहीं, तो मुझे रिमाइंडर 0 मिलने ही वाला है. थोड़ा मुझे आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा. क्लियर? Now next thing we want area of major segment. This is minor segment. This is, we know very well. You always major we get by subtracting it from minor. Okay? So this minor we are going to subtract from what? Area. See, this whole is called area of circle. So from this whole area, if I subtract that much, which is minor segment, so I will get
Major segment.
area of circle formula. And it is
20.
value of pi. Radius
15.
by 3 za 3149 za. नहीं वो नहीं किया था. 3149 za 3149 za. Find it out.
2726.
What? Sure.
2826. 2826.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
28.
2826 by 4.
Listen, here you are doing mistake in division. Okay, so take care. Now tell me 4 what? 0. In both the division, same kind of division is there, either 16 or 4. See, when you take 2 digits together, again we write 0 in the answer. Now 4 6 are 2 0 5. Now if I subtract, I will get 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 3 6, 4 minus 4 0, 6 8 6.
Right.
Clear? Simple subtraction. Now last number, it is number 14. दिख रहा है? क्लियर ना? कर दो, शिफ्ट कर दो, रोटेट कर दो. Okay. Now question number 14. See, the 14th question is if perimeter of circle and area of circle are numerically equal, then find radius. यानी सर्कल का पेरीमीटर, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं, circumference, is equals to area of circle, then what will be radius?
Area of circle of angle P of a circle with MCQ.
Okay. So let us solve question number 14. Figure so you can draw by your own, na? Here in this space it going to be solved. Okay, the question is कि find area of sector if angle subtended at the center is P and radius is capital R. सेंटर वाला एंगल जो है, जो हम थीटा लेते हैं, ठीक है, वो क्या है, P, and radius is capital, and we want area of minor sector. Okay, what is formula of area of minor sector? Theta upon 360. Okay, so what is radius over here? Capital R. Theta P. 360. Now listen, we don't have this option. Take it out.
Yes, sir.
Don't have. ठीक है? So now what we'll do? First we'll choose the option which of pi r square. Take it out. Which option have pi r square? B and D. So out of these two, one will be our answer. अब चेक करते हैं कि B को हम कैसे बना सकते हैं और D को कैसे बना सकते हैं.
हाफ करके B और डबल करके D.
करेक्ट. लेकिन मैथ्स का एक रूल है, कोई भी चीज अगर आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड करते हो तो राइट साइड करनी पड़ेगी, बैलेंस करने के लिए बैलेंस करना पड़ेगा. अगर डिनोमिनेटर में करते हो तो न्यूमरेटर में करना पड़ेगा. अब मैं बी ऑप्शन को सपोज मानता हूं, बी ऑप्शन में डिनोमिनेटर 180 है, तो मुझे 360 को 180 बनाने के लिए 2 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. डिनोमिनेटर में डिवाइड किया मैंने, न्यूमरेटर में भी करना पड़ेगा, तो न्यूमरेटर P डिवाइड बाय 2 है ऑप्शन में. चेक इट आउट. पक्का नहीं है? तो बी ऑप्शन हमारा आंसर नहीं हो सकती. तो फाइनल माउंट चल गया डी है, लेकिन कैसे? अब डी का डिनोमिनेटर क्या है? 720. अब ये 720 कैसे बनेगा? 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना. इसका मतलब चलो मुझे न्यूमरेटर में भी 2 से करना पड़ेगा, डिनोमिनेटर में भी. अब डी में देखो पी के आगे 2 है, तो लेकिन पाई आर स्क्वायर के आगे है, पाई आर स्क्वायर के आगे है, तो बात वही हुई ना. देखो तो मतलब हमें न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. क्लियर? अब मैं क्या करता हूँ, इसको लिखता है इस तरह से, 2 को मैं आगे लिखूँ, all are in the form multiplication only, so anywhere I can write. So 2 pi r square P along 360 to the
720.
this is our option D. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's end this lecture. Bye. You are safe.